Boris, an independent developer, was creating time-tracking software for one of his clients, but he had a hard time implementing an editable crosstab. To dynamically add columns and rows to a time-tracking grid, Boris needed user-friendly, third-party components. So he set off to find a tool that was up to the task. That search led him to Syncfusion Essential Studio. With the Essential Studio .NET MAUI library, Boris gained access to a wide range of flexible, robust components, like the DataGrid, which enabled him to implement dynamic editing in his time-tracking app. Now, users can easily record time for activities, track by the individual user, or sort by the distinct machines used. And Boris has more time and resources to expand his programming skill set in the future. Ready to streamline your development like Boris? Discover how Essential Studio can support your workflow today.